ngasi hiang karan pan bagim sekai babandagi tang kungani thoi tan sing puja mapan nagorak pagalena notice window to the news analysis we yengi purutaran ok chabale ngasi ek direct election dirisi sakna irba socio political commentator possible abu sonamani ni me amna samle abu sonamani har ga sukuna badi abu taram nokchari
thak chire dumbu
local news ni ni mangda akogi mapalam da phongda national news manipur headlines pukatsabe national news manipur headline da Hindu NDTV Indian Express Manipur violence will stop if 4,000 looted weapons are recovered. Indian Army politically solved. Lieutenant General Rana Pratap, Eastern Commander-in-Chief. Sige matangda Manipur da samna harabada khulai lising marim lokut ke power hinsa laikhigani haina Hindu NDTV Indian Express ABP News ne singbada yaure aduna Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Eastern Commander-in-Chief na palisi matangda pabung leba motu ang tabiyo.
Ayahan bada North East ki Window TV bu aine khomjeri my staff puno pusu my managing director amadi staff makhan lebiriba amadi anchor professor Chandramani sahab amadi malam de tabiri puno pusu aine kok nanjeri adumi questions gi matung inna ene pakum pijarabada media se mainland da phongba media ma Manipur da picture ko lepak sigo phongba media ma handak mar sum yengbada mainland da phongba akhigi India gi mainland gi phongba media sing se henjanna khara tawdaba thabak se khara hen hapchalaga masla khara hapchalaga tawrga lanba mong da phongba se toina khoi uba phangi for example samna hajarabada north kanagi Calcutta da liba Eastern Command gi Lieutenant General 𝐀𝐍𝐶 na mana statement ama ngasigi Shanghai Express the headline ati paper su phongi mana hai Manipur da Santipur ke hai bitar di group ani se punjan mara wadi saba khobni hai bi chumi that is up to some extent secondly man hai ba yamna thamu shok wahi ma hairi which I totally refute and that strongly I appeal to him to not to give such kind of a comment hai wahi ma karigino hai ba what is said is that nomai lishing mari hurangi or lakhi kanano who were those culprits you should have defined it categorically either by the dreaded criminal or by the some the belly people or whatsoever might be. Criminal is a criminal. Robbing arms or stealing arms from the arms armory itself is an offense, it's a crime. There is a hill or Billy or Kuki or Manipuri or Assamese or Bengali. No, it's a crime. I do agree. But who are those persons? Number one. Number two, how the government of India has allowed the free to move with the 2,500 AK-47, M16, M20 sniper gun, which was already possessing by these outlawed people and the shoe activists. Government of India and the Lieutenant General 𝐀𝐍𝐶 has not said that. This shoe people, Government of India has no control and they are creating this mayhem and this narsanghar and this bali ka bakra ki tarah Manipuri log ko marwa rahe hain. Kaun hai iski zimmewari? I would have been more happy that if you would have categorically said that these are the people, just presumably, or this is something which I don't agree. So here I say that we want everything in concrete. And another thing, our anchor Professor Chandramani, if you permit me, yes, I may be allowed to apprise you. What is said is that Manipur main issue is, it is from the scheduled tribe issue, which this tribal people, which this aggressor, which this militants people, they did not want. That's why this issue has been flared up. This is totally wrong, Lieutenant General the 𝐀𝐍𝐶 sahab. This is totally wrong. You are giving the political statement. You shouldn't have given that. I said that you shouldn't have given that. This statement was wrongly corroborated, wrongly stated earlier by the Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah ji, which has no connection at all. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee had been demanding right from 2013. you may recall it, 3rd May, this aggressor who is trying to cleanse the and one community from that area, this is their motto, this the migrants, this illegal migrants, this terrorists, some people group, they have never mentioned that scheduled tribe issue was the main issue which we all the tribal we were not accepted, which we are not agreed upon. They never said. They have mentioned that solidarity, so-called solidarity, and what they call it, the unifications, what they could, this is their slogan. They have never mentioned scheduled tribe. When finding no other way that crime has been committed in a wrongfully manner, lastly to cover up this scheduled tribe issue was being brought. That's why I say very, very openly, very overtly, very emboldenedly, your statement or the Home Minister's statement, totally this is wrong. And we refute you. And this kind of a statement should not have been rather highlighted and should not have been commented from such a high level post as a the stern command, the commander. I think I said that very sorry for you. This is what I would like to appeal. So it has no relevance, your scheduled tribe demand, or this the aggressor people who are trying to cleanse an entire one community. Government of India, are you not aware it? Is the government of India, apparently you are also under your blessing. These people are working very, very proudly and very emboldenedly so, because there is no law is applied on them. Hi,
Makatana, however, Hindu and NDTV, Indian Express, and the Hindustan Times, the Paudumuktada, how do you say, Adabu, Lieutenant General Rana Pratap, Makatan, how do you say, politically solved the problem. Amani, Aduga, how do you say, 4,000 weapon or 5,000 weapon, the way I was saying, how do you matang?
These are all political issues. I personally feel no army, no other unauthorized people are supposed to give this comment. Political issue matter, let the political issue. Any uniformed personnel we are assigned only to counter or only to control the to restore the peace. We are not allowed to give such kind of a statement, but we are happy in one way, because the army or some the other forces too, they are also coming up. I mean, like a politicians, they have also started giving some statement. This is something we don't expect it. It was never happened. Maybe that government of India has given you freedom to say or very overtly to speak. It is your will, but it was never happened before, because armed forces officers, they are aloof. I myself, I am a retired police officer. We are aloof. We have never given. We always refrained it. So I appeal to all of you. If you feel that my appeal, you may be silent. This is always better. It is unlike the newspaper correspondent or the Indian mate or the national paper. Sometimes we are made to be a non-Indian, because mainland many daily issues have become an anti-Manipuri. They have targeted us. So we feel that we are non-Indian now. We are made to be feel, and we are Indian, but we are made to be feel and non-Indian because of their bias, because of their partisan attitude. I am Lejay.
इसके मानव मुंगा हर तारे कोई अयंबा कोई इंग्लिश तरी फोंगे अदुगा मेटल लंदर समन हर बड़ा कोर कोमियाउना कंगलिपा की लालो बलुक मंगा अनलॉफुल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लॉकटॉप पिसिदा इंडिजिनस ट्राइबल लीडर्स फोरम यारक ते विसिक करिगिनो हाइबा वाहई सिनाई सिंसाई पाउदिगा मानव मुंगा दाई तौन फ्लिक थंबियो
चुमी मसे याम खननिंगाई ने भारत सरकार हाइबे से माकी मखन की इंटेलिजेंस या अंगपदली मोहि मैम फजन मसे असेसमेंट तौरगा कोई तमदलीबा or anyone. I say that underground is underground, overground is overground. There is no Kuki, there is no Naga, there is no Meitei. Moine government of India na khanbada moise outload people khali moine group manga taruk tere nipan mapan moine chahi manga gi moise outload discuss moine was announced that okay, that is the concern. We have no say to say. Adubu quite ibadi. There are these elements like IT elep kind yauri. Country thugaina bu honerakpa. Wrongfully possessing dreaded arms ammunitions. Punamak paire kuchat chatna tawdana government of India ki against the persistently government of India the challenge and the killing people, innocent people, armless people tawdana khotna tawbusingi maraktadi. Government of India ab bilkul khamoshi hai. अब उनको ऊपर आपका क्या इरादा है क्या विचार है उनको पर इतने क्यों दयावान है अब हाई वही हम लई अब फरी कोई ये ग्रुप लेती अमुल वही ये व्यूज तम दे खंगदे चिंग दे खंगदे लो नि ले दे खंगदरे गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया अदु तम दे लिबा मयाम पुनंग पोसे लोन मसी यादी मसे आउटलोड पीपल लोन डिक्लेयर ओके वी हैव नथिंग टू से you are this is your state, you are above us. Why this double standard? Adi what in ITLF gumba such a dangerous disintegrity porok na ba honorable countries with thugai na ba India government was sungta ta the musing judi na koi free rope sagon na koi pra koi field tha do nang chening with chelo chaning with chow nang choning with chung na ning na kha to na tha do paswa bharat sarkar sidi chumran na koi miyeng se hai something ai thamjege
तो ना कोई भी अनिश्चित तांकक है बता रहे नेशनल न्यूज़ मणिपुर द फ्रॉम द कोई लोकल न्यूज़ भी आऊगा नेशनल न्यूज़ ता लोकल बदा वन कोई होल पाउडनी अदुगा मसे राइवरली नवंबर एजेंसी ने वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन लेबा के दमकनी पार्टी ले खुदai चाना बनते रामनाथ कोविड सिगी मतंग तभी यो ने करी तभी बगे
सोशियो पॉलिटिकल कमेंट
yes Professor Chandramani Singh hajar bada India hai bese India is famous for from non-issue to make it another big issue. This is called Indian politics. Masi koi scenery bne. One nation, koi one election, masi ne mainly. Masi ne kayam ne phajiki hai bada. I am not a politician. Ayi tamakte I am as an Indian. Koi peace pami. Masi state mati election na matau bada. Matam manghali ba, paisa changi ba, madi manak tak लेपा के चौखट पुनम से इलेक्शन से था खुदिंग अममुतो बसे पुमंग मंगहनबा से एग्जांपल वन नेशन वन इलेक्शन है दिस इज द बेस्ट कदोबी तमंग तो ऑपोजिशन से व्हाई यू आर नॉट कोऑपरेटिंग इट नोकी इंटरेस्ट करिनो मिस्टर मोदी न पाले हाइदना नाइदर एम बीजेपी नॉर एम कांग्रेस बट व्हाट दिस प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट पुकले बेसे दिस इज द बेस्ट दिस इज द ओनली सॉल्यूशन एंड मसी हेक यार पतन ज्यादा इंडिया से था द कोई योगनिया money expenditure in the volume of billion rupees and the dollars wasting of time tha kaya chahi kaya madi transport mayam chatpagi campaign manak maiku thoiba kolemi mayam tabak to hondadana rajniti pung hongana tha khuding election amuk ta say example parliamentary election toro state is chap mana toro box to amam thambiraga loide same security mayam security personnel se lakh ta amadigi aeroplane makhan se wire amadu thongni amadu chakni north south west east thama kai ma thama chatu to sing election commission se pura ngau bai gane akoi whole country 142 crores people se khoi ngahon ba akoi tabak to hondadna rajniti ngau holle other one election one nation this is the only akoi solution which the Ramnath Kovind, one of the most highly admired President Oiba, who has been accepted by all communities, even in the world. And present government suggestion, all the political parties should come under one umbrella and should agree to save money, to save the wastage of time for nothing, and to save the world pollution. Okay, to save the expenditure, huge and wastage of time for years together every day. Mangali punamanga se jum kudingi politics. Ichai shu punam like paba jadaba, tabak tobu jadaba, office chale politics huwa, bazar chale politics huwa, hotel chale politics huwa. Kanan ko like tami ba thok tor beseda.
The notice Window TV window producer mukan takat pautuk say news analysis wo makata dan yendi kan tamse baga pautuk kitan thaido pada election de thaidoraga hojik se thak wagi mong lag je thare adugo India na magi maru mapang de mong da India amasung Australian 2+2 dialogue ta self security mari chesel na bawa lokre ai basida pabin de da geo strategies province matang de tang
excellent mase Australia gum country ai sam ai Australia da posting lai jeremy matam kra tha khrai lai jeremy moi gi ada lebe se vast land populations are less. Lot of Indian people are more jam na thok phajin to no lady phajin to no lady mase 2+2 gi the India government present okay prime minister or Mr Modi ma ka okay prime minister han oibiramba Australia to oibiramba haji oiri basisu yamna phajaba relation ama goodwill relation promoting the culture, promoting the in many respect yam ikai kuno utpa yam le lun se tinaba
makatan maun hairibse India musu Australia lebak adi sel tumma musu security ki partnership hele sesi manubawar lokhi bagale China da China na akalari singa ba hengalakpa uriba Indo Pacific lamdam the free open inclusive amasu rule single from over lamdam ama ohinda bani haiba wapam na hone yana kre haiba sidasu sigi pausi makata na pawuna kari ingibe
sumi what have QUAD masu US ne India ne Australia ne and most all South Korea natraga Philippines kanam job bani mari ne country mari ga ajo India policy di to maintain peace love in each other China gi maki aggression money might military might modi China hasi moi langa di thengna to lak pangatni China ge policy di not only India se moi santi de moi thamning de India se yamkan strongly one of the contender as a superpower on the lak pase China pam de reason being man pam is a whole Asia se mana dictate toba mana money might or African countries almost 59 countries later punumuk say mana paisa na loine pithoga leihiba adana whole African countries say even island macha Solomon da leihiba khotpa mafam manak mana paisa na pitho toru se India se pura cordon to torpa manamdi India is the only country in this region who can protest and who is vehemently objecting it no nanin ka to bujaro hedana adana India se mon sholan ba pamba Myanmar da mon changchal laga sen pishan ba Myanmar da democracy log thoga okay army rule porakpa this is all Chinese policy ngatani Bangladesh khudum change chalakpa yadaba even Sri Lanka khudum chalake to yadaba Bhutan se mon question ge toba Pakistan di question laga matang tore India se to hon ge toba but the India ke policy se world ne accept tarukpa whole world accept tar adana whole European countries if not 100 at least 99% punam India the policy yaba even African countries mayamne yaba percent Gulf countries mayamne India wo support toba even the United States except Canada ka khajik raktang hadi issue macha amda koi kari haine koi terrorist issue macha amda da katang different opinion le natradi India se by and large punam including all the Muslim countries 99% punam OIC Organization of Islamic Countries 57 above 56 country except Muslim ye Pakistan da lon support tawi
marak thana koi pau sidi kitang haida hojik che call war tharing lan se am kana sathari marak sida koi international news local de pongba koi local dailies de pongba koi awan tok piraga pongba koi international news ta kam pukala bada infal koi November tang koni toini daga palli basina koina sanale baktani Israel Hamas war ceasefire amathuna lauthok lagani refugee camp attack ta kun sikhe sigi matang da hojik chathari ba Israel gi war se contemporary da public ne mo che kari de contemporary war se
jengbiu Israel haiba country ase yamna picture basu jamna mapangan lebe of course United States or other European countries maximum makunis back to Palestinian ga mokoi ase Gaza da thongnariba aji West Bank da thongnari punamuse India na Palestinian bu support tawi makoi gi leibam piba khotpa la heavy country ma lehen base India government yam phajana support tawi aduga amarom dana amuko India na mu Israel dis mu support tawi man tor mai aiden lepi base kariya na support tori gi habda India is against the terrorists Hamas kangde amakang India says any terrorism or trying to terrorize the country or killing in massive the abismas India sunya yarwa
na mu ong da pau amasu koi news analysis ro yamna tentang na koi asom da su Russia ji ya mari afaba amasu lainari ba marak sita India dagi doctor tamma mayam su chatki hairi ba mafam da Russia na khudum chan kraba bagmut ki akoi bada lan kan khat khre haiba wafam pali sigi matang di si public border ka dile
masi hai India ga Russia ga have say inseparable friendship jamna dependable oiba Russia se right from the beginning India se jamna phajana chinkhatun lakpani adubu hadi geopolitical ki issue da lakpada live Mr. Modi ki approach se not only alone solely depending in Russia alone even US ke maphajana relation already whole European countries ke lady adi whole Asian countries ke lady whole Gulf countries ke lady, African countries punamak Modi de loine support tawi. Haji African countries tamak he is the only one that who stand up and who says that koi gi kana do koi even the koi gi South Africa sorry African countries mayam ama purkadamni apart from India and other country and over hapkadori se adum mai ki movement pajabam lady manamadina masi akoi Russia ke India ke di inseparable akoi gi relation ni yamna phajana lei kedong dis mai thadok pa yaroi masi koi gi angang sing lai tamba khot pa Russia de angak pa de chat pa khot pa yamna even US ne sanction tawdna khotna thaw lobu yaroi adu ada lobu jari India no I'm not bothered for the nang gi relation phajana lei but Russia also equally having a good relation with me nan sanction tawbo all these things I have to buy from them I have no control under anyone he is a good friend haine tawi aduna muni tawri puna mase masi yauna phajaba awana tabu ko pru mateng tonu ko suni tormani
mari suba tangkak ti asina koina manipur gi local daily sing the pong pau do lokat chage notice window tv yengri pun ko amka taram okchari akoi ge sigi gas sangna irba posangbam sanamani miyam na pabung sanamani hare ga sukhna ba political socio political commentator ni yengri pun ko amka na taram okchari erena hojik local manipur da phongba ko gi metalon si lakh kun ga nipan 20 lakhs 2794 aduga community ahum haide metai pangal noise ando frank sengmai amadi metai pa aduga loan ko gi schedule tribe kuntraga mapan sina ling language ne hoji phongna badu gumba khabar sing da phongba nongmugi sing da phongba pauta sangai express ke yana lokat chage khulai lising mari rom lokat chi pawa hincha leki gani army si sangai express ki headline da machangwa ba pawa na phongbire aduga kitang mana da bom da hoyal lan pawda so sampu ki ambulance taret yauna gari mapal lak ko nongmai paiba so sampu dagi ambulance taret yauna gari mapan da lakpa nongmai paiba kuki marfurom kangbai tamna changsilna ba honakre maduga thangna ba kalam da manipur gi wathok ki matang da semkiba commission of inquiry nifu nga 45 day gi maning da complaint nataga allegation pisal ngna ba gi notice thokre habase hoilam pawgi headline da pire aduga naharol gi thokdang da yamna manadaba mong da saknairaba manipur gi lekhidaba Mr. Maipak mafam da chief minister honorable chief minister yauna miyamna aroiba ikai kumna bu utkhe lekhidaba body builder and Maipak ming da open gym mama hanglagani honorable CM haiba paw masu sida yamna mayek sengna narol gi thogdang miyo gi hakki damak kathoklaba narol gi thogdang da yamna mayek sengna palle manadaba mong da aduga pongna phamgi da state gazette thokna manipur irang gi damak semkiba inquiry commission gi term of reference kangan khre haiba wapam sina kogi pongnapham gi choba heading oina pire maduga thangnaba heading the policy kangpokpi da shutdown bung phana sathari modbung da pochai leiba sangsiluba maitei ama assam rifle na kan khre haiba paw amasu phongi aduga masiga manaba moongda thamoi sengna amasung confidence laina honorabadi mai pak na bagi maram oi haiba honor her excellency governor of manipur gi wapam amasu pongnapham gi sub headline oina piri aduga isel express tana manipur gi irang commission of inquiry gazette notification thokre nifu nga gi manung da lanai mioi association sing complaint affidavit pikal na bakhangali hariba notice makta da notification gi scan to copy du ure aduga atop thangnaba sub headline da amjugi golden jubilee ga mari lena world tv day pangtokre miyam da khudong cha da ba thon danaba media na verify tawraba paw khatang phongbiu haiba dr sapam ranjan gi paw amasu madun palli ado mapalai yengbada ngasi gi maroi ba paw sing ase ai paw loina khagatraga su ngasai gi khulai lising mari rom lokatri ba hingsa lekhegani haiba army gi posima yam tetang thambiraga maroina Champurdagi ambulance taret yauna gari mapanda lakpa nungmai paiba kuki marfurom kangbai tamna sangsilana ba hona khre haiba paw sida pabung leba kari masigi local daily
jengbiu masini khoina khwaidi khoina government of India de khona hangi base manipur se law makhanani thokna thamba hoi officially thokte undercover or understanding haibate Unified Command Chief Minister, they look like Mango de Loktoga, Advisor Security Maporkpa. This is Kari Haine Koda, Ikaiba Piba, Asini, hoi mona tawning mata tawre si government ni jana tawbani masi manipur government su akoi da masi namthak tawre asi matang da hoi ja kusa government thugai ning de government is government ni mana pho thabuk tawru bade shoi ba yawbani ajada ba yawbani shoi benate mana shoi benate masi ko public ko na group pamal lalo bo group sing jada nongmai lising mari haibe se aina mu hanga cheri se kana de no nongmai lising mari akoi recover mona huran gi hairi se. Are you squarely blaming only to the plain people or Meitei people? Or how about the other nongmai huran bamayam kangpupi the gun ama dukan ama liba ko ibum chak ko no pa ma imphal digini kangpupi hek town nongmai se ang pan nongmai liba mai dukan digi alone one example li ati lone mun gi dir to se madi dukan digi sophisticated oba arms ammunition promak loine logi je Meitei kana na chalaga di nongmai me am hura luge adu ta natana ati mafam de mona unauthorized oiba illegal immigrants sing this terrorists laktana nomai paidan lady mayam sing chidi nakoi kaidogi makoida adi kanana mo se pahli base adi ki suspension of operation the lady ba government of India ga Manipur ga this dreaded terrorist sing siga tripartite token ne jane reg lene ki ba Manipur government ne masi hona bangamdri mo se lam hele mone tawning mata tawre khujukulai paire ga mon lam mapam thokun hoy se mone thoga nata thabak taw akoi yararoi haidin government of Manipur ne masi withdraw taw ki bane government of India kari tumin lady moi de paire ga nongmai mem chatlaga okay M20 M16 Shibajabo from AK-47 adigi kuigi sniper gun pura kochat chatan masi mayam moni chingde kaptharga halali mayam sigi manam dadi karim tapande simply by telling 4,000 arms looted pari kanadira logi se you should have clarified it beli dali ba mioi singna hura lira makoi su jawna hura lira kana hura lise chummi akune taba pauda beli dagi mioi sing government na government say under central government the later directly or indirectly must central government when a pyramid say under 355 or 356 article the officially notification talk trabasu makoi kudum challe mon haiba da tobani adu akoi the protection say government of Manipur na pibing amdre since the government of India na lokshan dana moin honorary Assam Rifle or security forces haiba Assam Rifle haiba army makha da natte moi tongan bam lei but they're under the home ministry tawre khotna leide adu makoine yengbigatra haibi yengbitana moina just akoi football sanar mayam yengba koi bhabok tona yengdana akoi audience tona yenga leide moi mamang de mi hatli moi mamang de mi kaphalli moina kem sadle moi kem mamang de koi criminals mayam koi terrorists singina mathaktai laga moi mamang de la kem sarga akoi longmi mayam de nomai kaphalli moina yengda leide
say army ki me am yana de podum phang adu makpu yamna manada ba moong da good samaritan gumba mioi ama Assam Rifle la asilam da modbung digi kalhore thasi manga da motorcycle ama da mun chami ki ba akham awang lekai ni pam cha ani sekmai lanthok tan modbung lanchil lubde hojik phaw kum khangdana leiri gi serak sida ngasi ayuk angan bada pung ong minute kuntham de tarak pada awang lekin tabidi singsubam ningthem yakai taru apok pa lekida ba se yai ma ko ba mioi ama auto rickshaw ama tong laga sekmai de kangla tong gi tel faw lak laga modbung yoksin kitar mapam adu de tel da pot sei leina bo hone de da kunitoi siba Assam Rifles command na thengna rakudi mahapu mapam adu de lokal laga makui camp ta thamki habidi mioi ma Assam Rifle asilam da modbung de kalore habisi manaba pawsin de ayam na phone re masidasu makui akoina good side ni habi ga dawrira bad side ni habi ga dawrira haiba wapun tung thambi de
good side na haiba tai apo tabak tore good sign fatwa tabak tore moina more da to holi punamak to acho moi camp lady angak pada moi base lady Myanmar kuigi mori ti mayam loine kanchalaga loine kuki gi kuigi defense forces loine Burma de changaga complete body se kam pungtho thugai Assam Rifle kem de changi de adu matang da what happened those days asi jong wahangama moine ngasi hairi thengnabadi gi hairi as per the newspaper moine thiraga humma tawraga natte mina paw harpadi thengnabadi chalubane anyway ama hingali thanks to you adu maina mori de tawriba mayam noina mayam de training pi shu hairi allegation adu Myanmar de laga mori town se completely mogi terrorists and control to we what did you do of some Rifle hai wo hai mangi ne
makha sathar pa oina gi sub headline gi makha thang saruk ta palli se front line da kuki militants in mai kai ohum de gi nomai kapsin dana landara ke bedagi yum thadok tana chelak labasu relief camp ohum da mi hele haiduna leiba phangak ki de hak theng no pawdam seru awang lekai kunja ama haiba sina Koyal Lampaugi front page ki reporting section the pali sigi matang da pabung kari
oh machi tab dungai ti base government na samna hariga machi um thodu sum thondu chummi security forces de tokran security forces thaje basir koi thamdre yan mo se micham ka khar naigum towi base koi thaje de moina koi be thaje do base moina thajan da bani mochi koi kana tore adun at least relief camp or koi conflict affected residents ne conflict ne mase meti ge kuki one ate conflict ne mase koi issue cho bu thon bani conflict means everybody is being involved mone tore se adu mo koi ne landarak na tor pasiga mase lebam letne chelak tan chalu du moi manak ta lebe kem du lebam letna ma pu koi ge lobby de na moi bu koi ge ati ma pune chalu na haibes mase ta ba yam nungai te madugi
ki pausima barak thalaga koi gi naron thogdang gi paugda mayang go manada go heading amada koi gi sanabagi oina su sinadum punsin ba yaraba pau amada leikidaba Mr. Mai Park mafam da minister yauna miyam na arobe ikai ko no utkre leikidaba body builder and Mai Park in the open gym ama semlagani honorable CM maroina koi gi India da Bharat na India da Manipur PVC contribution de pabung da mamang da thambikre ado sanabari sina ayamba awa ana tarakpa matam da masala nai taba adu honorable chief minister na leikidaba body builder and Mai Park in the open gym ama hanglagani semlagani haibasi matang da pabung go mod amaka IBU
oh good present parliba lenga ki makok education games and sports developmental activities tama yam na thawai yam jawi ma undisputedly man lakpatigi international arena da even Olympic da even akoi Asian games da world game da bhau mana masing phangba masing jam hengalei ma jam ma thawai yam jawi games and sport man lakpatigi maximum ni okay mana phupun se India gi natana world gi da akoi firan purga akoi gi meti gi firan bau yaung na tawna utpa corpus masiam chokon ngai ni ma jam special interest lori aduni even Churachandpur da gym ka mai thagi khot ki punamaga se basi yan mase lan na tabak nei present chief minister hakchang gi tamakta sanabagi tamakta apabasar ki tamakta ma yam thawai ai yam thagchi late mai pa khaibse aina college taminge tanjado mark se hana lowram miyo yamani yam chamja miyo mi murap tawraga yam masa se smiling face am one lejerakpa mana kuigi Mr. Manipur ka tana bo honar pa tanja siga aina sum yang hobte college taminge tanjada mana mai gi kui swimming dress ma mai de shelaga mayam lai nang am ta ground kum tharo football ground kum tharo akoi kangjai bung da mayam da nang bikhaniu haidna ko na ngabong ngam ka tharaga mark se ku Mr. India competition chan mo ga to se matam duga okay games and sport education department or government karim interest karim piram daba public man lupa manga thada ani thada am thada tara to ngabung shuk chon paisa do mayam torga mana adumai khoram chat thada ma se Mr. India company chakibani
kitang thaidora ga akoi gi hariba naron thongdangi ani saba sub headlines the palibasi honorable chief minister Nongtamba Berena Loktak Development Authority LDA bu thagat kre haiba Loktak Development Authority na Loktak part Khordak channel mai pak sengba loisin kre chief minister Nongtamba Berena social media ki kuthang da LDA ki chairman M Asni Kumar amasung channel asibu sengbada thogdang lokki ba pulmu bu thagat phongdokre lamdam masigi mang khaba patsak sing haidi amuk ingalba sarkar rasina lokali ba thabak singda miyam na pung phana mating pangbina basu honorable chief minister na appeal tawrakli haibasi matang da abung loktak haibase koi gi di yam number loktak civilization lei sing matang da pabung go mod amak tang gi na
review loktak haibase koi imani malim sigi manipur gi su imani malim de tariba manipuri punamak the Manipur citizen punamakise mamani loktak si manamda yam issue sham thokre mamang se government of India na paisa se loktak se haida base lepa ki ising duga hobre keno khangde chief secretary ahum su bel the lady achu bolenga ke muku amu su bel the lady haibadi kai mase hairoi government of India pitharak pusing se changi be shen jing se ising gu lepak to ho mare loktak tagi pai bom pal achu su musing ki marakta shen se matak ta kakatan kadon chali nu khangde adu government of India na to se tawi mat tawi leingak na or akoi mayam na masil ima akoi loktak se mulhan majadi loktak se na akoi maini loktak se na akoi gi masin prithvi te akoi malem se akoi saktam mon tai bani
khamba thebi amasung da hat tc hasam gi maitai da su se phau gi paulei aduna odi tang
achikar magi haiba
sagi sem na LDA bu thagat kre loktak sing matang da maram di loktak haiba civilization sin lai bani na pabung na सी मतंग हाइदि हिस्टोरिकल ओइबा प्लेस अमसु ओइरे अदुगा इसी हडसन की ब्रिटिश के रिकॉर्ड तसु हाइरिबा कोगी लोकताक से लाइस्ट लेरबा इपिक खंबत बिसे अदु मोइ द रिफ्लेक्ट तौरगा यावे द माइथै सेबदा अदुना सिदा सेमना थागल बिसिगी मतंग सिदा अफबा थबक्ति अफबा अदु थागत पेगदौनि हाइबा पाबुंग सोमांग पुंदो अदु पाबुंग मखा तब मागी पाबुंग मोचदा करि लेगी अदु
लोकताक से अइना हाइजिरु ओखै इमाने लोकताक से मालेम दु कोन पोंगजेनिङैनि अदु लोकताक से मणिपुर लेब प्रजा पुनमक्किनि पर्टिकुलरली जात अमगी नत्ते लोकताक हाइबसे से सिरोई लिली मयाम गिनी से कोई चेरी कोई फेस्टिवल तोड़ी से कोई कनो दो कोई नोने दो तमिल दो की होम फेस्टिवल कोमला तर बस पुनो जे कोई मयाम गिनी लोकताक से मयाम गिनी मैं पृथ्वी द लोकताक की तमत कोई मीना नुंगसिबिरिम टूरिस्ट मैम ला जेंगी बनी इंटरनेशनल की टूरिस्ट मैम लाई बनी अदु लोकताक से कोने सगोट के दबनी लोकताक से मयाम गिनी लोकताक से जोखल के दबनी लोकताक से कोने इमानी कोई हाइनो कोने लोगु दबनी मालेम दे सक्तम अमा हाइबे तारोदी मणिपुर पनबत अदु कोई सगे कुंथरा मंगागी अखोगी अहमगी मै सक्तम से अखोने तमजनिङै मयाम द पोंगजेनिङै से लोकताक सगुतब यादे फजन अखोने थंबीदब यादे मापु कोने लातब जे मापु लातप ताबा हाइरबदि मागी लमसे कोने एनक्रोचमेंट तौतबा मांगो द फत्ता हुदी से हुंदोप खतोप तौबीदबा मयेक सेंगना इमाबो कोने लाइसंग द चंग खुरमदौना खुरमन नान लूना थमलगा मालेम से अमुक से हैनम लेलम कोई अखोगी पाइथोप मयाम द जोहनमसवन जोहनबगी दम दरकार लई
हैदर अकांदा अखोगी ई पाव अमा थागतप मतमदा अचुम अरान कुपन नैनरगा थागतप मथौ ताई हाइबा डॉक्टर एस रंजन की पाव सिना अना अखोगी हेडलाइन की सब हेडलाइन अमन पल्ली सिगी मतंग ददि पामुसिना लौरिबा रोल से इरांग थोन बथोन सि मतंग दा पामुगी ओइ मोत थमिरमनेबा
अखोइसे चुम्मी पाव हैबसे हियर से हेक ताबगा अमसु हे हापा सोइगिबसु यावबा अदुगा यामना लुबा पाव यामना क्रुशियल ओइबा मी हानबा जाबा सिनबा जाबा अदुंबा बर्निंग इशू द सिमसे खतंग वेरीफाई तौरगा प्रॉपर वेरीफाई तौर हापसिना क्वाइट बेस्ट ने नै खंजै
मतम कनापसु गाइबिद्रे अखोगी नसिगी न्यूज एनालिसिस की लोइसलप ओइना नतिगे फैक्ट ऑफ द डे नवंबर तांग कुंगा निथोई हियांगैगी तरानी पानबा युमसा कैसा सरारिन गिनी तौना अखोई लेबाक से लेबाक लेसा थंगलक्तुना लेबाक सेमनबा होनरक्पदुबो अखोना लिमसा युम सादना लै हाइबगदम युमसा कैसा थोनखिबा अदुगुम्बा अखोगी तानिसंग मणिपुर की सनामी टेम्पल बोर्ड की पांची संगलाकपा प्रेमचिन थादोरपगी मतुंग इन्ना ngasi se अखोगी कुंबताई अदुगा मेटै दले साइफु हाइरताई अदुना अपपतसि मपालमदि फतबा पाउ तागनी अदुगा मणिपुर की मनुंगदा इरांग टाइमिंगाई संदानबा मरु पांग संगाई दबा लेगने हाइबा सनामी टेम्पल बोर्ड की पांची संगलाकपना अखोदा पिबरकपा पाउ इरि अदुगा फैक्ट्स ऑफ द डे नवंबर कुंगनी थोइसिदा पाउ न्यूज एनालिसिस लोइसलप सबगम थमजगे ngasi sita soklisung samapun humphum doida youngest president oiba John F Kennedy hatki aduga Germany first prime minister 2005 ogi nupi gi na Angela Merkel chancellor oina wasak lokhi aduga Iron lady hairaga khangnaba Margaret Thatcher 1990 conservative party kairakpadagi resign tauki prime minister post gini aduga heavyweight की ख्वाइदगी माव लंबा लेटर बॉक्सिंग हिस्ट्री दा सोकलिसु समपन मरफु तरुक यंगेस्ट मसागी सही कुन सुबदा अखोई माइक टाइसन ना हेवीवेट चैंपियन लौकिंग असिगी तारीख असिदा अदुना अदुगा अरोइबो ओइना यंगेस्ट कनोसी प्रेसिडेंट ओइना खनखिबा जॉन एफ केनेडी हाइबा 1960 दा मा हाटखिबा अदुगुम्बा निमित अमसु ओइ अदुगा यंगिर बपनमपु नॉर्थ ईस्ट विंडो की अखन्नबा नॉर्थ ईस्ट न्यूज एनालिसिस यंगिर बपनमपु ताराम ओक्चबा लोरेना ngasi gi oinadi pabung sonamani bu
mayamus kromjeri
bangloina bior punamku makatana tunga lakadaba pau sinda kari pau yaumi nabage haibadu ngai minar seba thamjabaga loreना ngasi gi oinadi punamku kromjeri